Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin. So we are currently using Cash App. This is the easiest way in my opinion to buy Bitcoin. If you want to use a different method like Coinbase or something like that, feel free to check out one of the other videos on my channel. But I'm just going to show you a quick tour of Cash App, why it's so easy to buy Bitcoin. Right here we have the home screen. So basically you just want to download the app, there's a link in the description, and then you want to follow the sign up process. It's super simple, super straightforward. Once you're all signed up and you have everything connected, you'll be at this screen right here. At the top of the screen mine says $6.56. Yours will probably say $0. But you can go ahead and tap on that, and that's going to open up your dollar amount. You can also get a cash card. We're not going to talk about that in this video, but it's a nice debit card that you can get that gives you discounts. I also have other videos on that if you want to check it out. But first we're just going to add money to our Cash App. You basically just send money back and forth between your bank account. So on the bottom left you'll see add cash or cash out. Add cash will allow me to add money from my bank account. Cash out allows me to send money back to my bank account. I'm just going to add cash here. We'll type in $50, hit add 50, scan my fingerprint. Just like that, I now have $56 in my Cash App balance. And if we go back to the home screen here, you can see $56 in my balance. Now let's tap on that 56 again. So this is sort of the balances screen. In the top left we have our cash. In the top right we have our Bitcoin. You can swipe back and forth between those or tap on them. Now if you haven't purchased Bitcoin yet, on your Bitcoin section it would say $0. On my account I've actually purchased $1 of Bitcoin for the past 125 days in a row. So I've invested $125 in Bitcoin and it's currently worth $202. So this is going to be the 126th day in a row. We're going to hit buy. You can just move this slider to whatever you want. I'm choosing $1. Hit buy on the bottom of the screen. Scan our fingerprint. It's going to give us the details here and you just hit confirm. Just like that, we purchased $1 worth of Bitcoin. You can see it adds a little more Bitcoin to my account. I now have $203 worth. And it's that simple to buy Bitcoin. Basically, make sure there's money in your Cash App. Tap the dollar amount on the top of the screen, swipe over to Bitcoin, and hit the buy button. It literally takes less than 30 seconds to buy Bitcoin using Cash App. So that's why I recommend it. Cash App is doing some great work in the crypto space, in my opinion, making it super easy to use, where a lot of the user experiences with the other apps aren't nearly as simple, aren't nearly as seamless. But yeah, there you have it, the quick tutorial on how to buy Bitcoin. Like I said, I've purchased Bitcoin 126 days in a row now. I have $203 in here. If you want to learn more about Cash App, learn more about Bitcoin, or see more of my progression, feel free to check out my Cash App playlist. I have videos in there of me purchasing Bitcoins all throughout this 125-day period, from the first day, 10 days, 50 days in, 100 days in. It's all there if you want to see it. Last but not least, nothing in this video is financial advice. However, there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. And there's like 7 bajillion people on Earth or something like that. So get your Bitcoins while they're hot, while they're cheap. You don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin, you can buy a partial Bitcoin. You can see in here I have 0.025 Bitcoins. And that's all for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come and last. So go hard.